basically Tesla took a giant shit. The puts are up like by a factor of 8. It's kind of crazy. It's super dope, and it's gonna be freaking awesome. So on a red day like this is like peak volatility. First thing I want to do is I want to watch the VIX, because if the VIX hits like 64, yeah, I might snap some puts up on these guys, because today will probably be the most volatile day, and then we'll go back to the normal shit. So I'm really gonna be watching these puts. I need to log into a different account. I'll trade the puts on the corporate account just because that's how I want to do it. So I'm not going to touch these till 10 o'clock, but if stuff starts to go down with these puts on the VIX, because it's going to probably spike in volatility at like 9:45, I might have to cut the stream just because I have to change the accounts, and I can't do that on stream, and it'll mess up the software when I relaunch the programs and all that stuff. So if I have to leave, it's because I want to make like 20 grand on VIX puts, okay? So like, don't hate, it's just what's going to happen. All right? I gotta be quiet though, Alex is asleep. Okay, so basically tech just said that like we don't have to go to class anymore because of the coronavirus, which means that like any pharmaceutical company that exists is going to be like fucking exploding, because this it's gotten to the point where like fucking everyone's so freaked out about this virus. They're gonna go to school. These guys I know, they're in my swing trade portfolio. I've messed with them a lot. They're a really good stock. I've never day traded them just because they've always been a swing trade. They've been a phenomenal swing trade, but I've never really day traded them. So we'll see what they do today. They're in the pharmaceuticals. They're just like everybody else. We'll keep an eye on it, but I'm not going to put too much emphasis on that. I'm probably going to look more at those top two gainers. I think we traded POAI yesterday. No, yesterday, no, we didn't. Similar tickers, but not the same thing. So I'm kind of excited. I know these are phenomenal stocks, and I can't wait to see how it works out. Some really good pre-market gainers. These guys are from yesterday, so they probably won't be as good, but they were really nice yesterday. Like yesterday, these guys freaking crushed in the morning, and then there was a really, really nice short. Like I can't short in this account, but if I could, I would be all over that. All right, we'll keep the VIX here. Yeah, AMD, all of our swing trades are going to be off a bajillion percent because all we did was short the market. Okay. These are above 25,000. So, I mean, hell, I guess I'll keep an eye on them. MNK. And then FNGD. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the VIX over here because I do want to buy puts if it hits 64. So I'm just going to put this here. Put it on a daily. Just give you guys a fucking perspective of how insane this is. And yeah, this thing hits 64. Dude, the calls on this have to be up a bajillion percent. It's insane. I watch these guys right here, 6-4. Looking back, I understand. Alright. And then the last ticker is INO, which we traded last week. INO is super cool. I got a buddy, he's got so much shit in these guys. He's making a lot of money this morning. POAI. Yeah, the TVIX obviously is going to be up a bunch. Alright. UVXY. Never heard of that one. So we'll come back to that one. I'm excited. Alright. So these guys are at 3.5. So they're kind of like right here. Which is a super nice resistance. I think these guys can break the $0.50, stay over VWAP. And this kind of, I guess, is a nice wedge-o. It's kind of hard to do the top on this. I might just do it like this. I think this is probably what it is. With like this being the resistance line that it can't get over. These guys squeeze over like 355. Then they should probably go to, I would say, the height of this added to itself. So like something like probably here to here added on top of itself, and that'll give you like probably 433. Stop loss on this trade's right here, entry points right here, or like stop loss below VWAP. Cool. First resistance is basically right where we just set our target at. So as long as it can break through here, it should be fine. It shouldn't have a problem breaking through there. High side is like 480, aggressively 550. These guys look like a pharmaceutical company. I'm gonna check what the news is on them, just because with a crazy day like today, it's kind of good to know what the news looks like. POAI. 56%, man. Oh my god. Okay. It's looks like they just launched a fucking AI platform to cure the coronavirus. These guys are going at $7. Oh my god. This is such a great market. I can't tell you guys how freaking amazing it is. I'm gonna take this away from my face a little bit because I don't know how much of these headphones comes into the microphone. I still gotta be quiet though because Alex is here. For those of you who are following yesterday's trades, S and EUFN didn't close above our targets, so we didn't really base anything off of that. You know what I don't get is if I load Thinkorswim, it crashes the stream. But if I load Schwab, Street Smart Edge, like, it doesn't do anything. It's kind of weird. Okay. This is a really nice price line right here. Looks like they're above it. Looks like they're above it. Looks like they're at this price level, which is good. Next resistance they're going to have to break is right here. So if they can get above 5, then they should probably go to like kind of the height of this thing right here, from here to here. You kind of add that on top. You get a target of like 6. Which I think is pretty reasonable. Stop loss on the trades is like 30 cents down. You have 90 or $1 profit. Make sure I'm balancing this audio right. Yeah, I think it's good. I hope it's good. I don't know. I'm not listening to it on the stream, so you guys can let me know in the chat. Such a fucking phenomenal trade. It was an ABCD setup right here, and then it just freaking crushed it. Oh god, I can't tell you guys how exciting this stock is for me. It's just so good. Wherever you go. Anyway, I think they'll probably break back down, but we'll see what they do. High side's like right here. Back to you. It's a nice trend line. You kind of have this resistance line, and you have this resistance line. I kind of like this one, but it's not really that valid. So, I mean, unless it breaks out right now, which I don't think it will. It's not a really great resistance line. It's a little bit of a pricier stock. It could have a big breakout at the open, though. If it does break out at the open, what it'll probably do is basically take the height of this and add the height of that. And if you do some quick finger math, that gets you target of about 19.2. So I'd probably do sell order here, entry point conservatively. I don't know. I mean, you could do it here, you could do it here. This is a little bit safer. This one's got a little more upside. That's a tough call. It's a tough call. Ouch, 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 ouch. Yeah, I don't know. I'd say entry point right here, stop loss right here. Which is risky because you're assuming it's going to make a new high. Ooh. And it's not always going to make a new high. Sometimes those wedges just go to the previous highs. So I would probably do a partial position on that. Just a little bit riskier. These guys are kind of in a league of their own. Like, they don't have supports or resistances. I'm not gonna mess. These guys are awesome. I love them. I don't think they're gonna maintain this high, but we'll see what happens. If they have a daily setup, I'll trade it. What are these guys at? I mean, you've got a nice inverted head and shoulder setup here, but besides that, it's not much to see with it. Also, I wonder how much of this chart you guys can see. Like this chart right here. I think you can see a good chunk of it. I'm going to leave it like it is because I like how it looks. I don't know how it works. Alright, we got about 5 minutes. I think that looks better. Okay, cool. Okay. Let me get a calculator. Calculator is kind of far away. Give me a sec. POAI and APT have really similar setups, which is interesting. Alright. Couple minutes. Oh my god. Oh man. Gosh, guys. It's kind of interesting because, like, I know a lot of people are freaking out because their portfolios are going down right now. And I'm like, dude, just buy puts and then, like, your portfolio triples. And it's like, but you know, it's still harsh and it's a bad virus and hard economic times, which kind of sucks. So I'm just grateful for the abundance that we've had lately with the markets going down, and it's just been really great. So hopefully we will continue that today. We're gonna do. God, this account, I thought it was more money in it. Whatever. We'll do 400 position sizes at 3.5, I guess. It's about 110. Okay, so the entry point on this trade is at VWAP, and I got 2 minutes to map this trade out. I probably should have drawn arrows. Like, if I don't draw arrows, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Entry point, stop loss. Okay, so 5 basically. So 4 over 5 is 8, so that's 80. Holy crap. Did I just do mental math? I gotta check myself on that because I want to make sure I didn't make a mistake. I freaking did mental math. What? I remember growing up in like first grade or something, we'd have this thing where you just like memorize stuff as fast as possible. And then whoever could recite all the numbers and recite all their math the fastest was like super special. And I would like try and I was freaking pretty good job at it. I was pretty great at math growing up, I like to think. Then I was like, wait a minute, we have calculators. Wait a minute. If we have calculators, why don't you do this? Anyway, I guess it's useful. I don't know. We'll see. We got a minute and a half. Whew. There was one stock over here that wasn't anywhere else that I wanted to see. It was UVXY. I think that's just a VIX thing. Yeah, it's an Ultra VIX short. Yeah, you bet your ass they're up 27%. These options contracts, dude, they have got to be up like 1,000 fucking percent. God, it's so good. Like the VIX calls and SPY puts. Like if you do, they've just been doing so well. So we'll see. I could do this on a different account, like I said earlier. They're pricey, and that's why I have to do it on a different account because this shit's expensive. These are like, but you know, you should work with it, right? These Tesla calls, or these Tesla puts, they were $20 to get in, and now they're worth like 80. So it's like, you know, it's pretty. It's like $16,000. It's pretty good. So I'm excited. Oh shit, they're gonna drop out? We got about a $4 target. $4.20, okay. God, I love that sound. destination, and the rest is our momentum. POAI, are they at the top of the list? No, they're not at the top of the list. So I see the darkened eyes. And then I'll take that away. Away. Alexa, 400 divided by 3.4.
400 divided by 3.4 is 117.6471.
Alright, as long as this candle doesn't have a giant red spaz, then we'll be in. If it does, then we won't be in. These guys broke over view app and then they failed within like 30 seconds, which kind of sucks ass. Excuse me. As long as this next candle is green, we're in. Stop loss is tighter on the trade now. Stop loss is at 342. What are you doing here, man? What are you doing here? I like it. Oh, come on. That pisses me off. God damn it. Oh well. Alright, well, we kind of missed that trade. Okay, yeah, the VIX hit 65. I'm gonna be probably right back. I need to buy some VIX puts. I mean, unless we're gonna day trade VIX puts. I mean, we could definitely day trade VIX puts. Probably not a great idea. It's also really expensive. Oh, this is good. This is green, red, green. I can get in on this. Stop loss on this trade's at 364. It's got to close up here. If it doesn't close up here, I'm not touching it. It's got 20 seconds. APT has a really nice setup right here. If this thing doesn't close green, I'm going over to ATP. What's 400 over 15? 25 shares. APT. Alright, didn't close. This is a really good reversal pattern. We're gonna get in stop loss at 14.72. Oh, come on. Fill that. What are you doing? There you go. Ah. What's this thing doing? Did the market just get halted?
circuit breaker right now, right?
Yeah, the market just got fucking halted, bro.
Okay, so I'm still in that position. Do you think after this circuit breaker is gonna go down?
Yeah, 100%.
All right, I'm staying in it, man.
You gotta be
Even if
careful.
Huh?
The first candle's gonna be the hardest one.
They've already. What do you mean, the first 5-minute candle?
No. The first candle after the halt expires in 15 minutes.
What do I want to see?
You want it red.
All right. Oh man, if it goes below 570, it could go 550, man, fast.
Yeah.
Did you know that on Friday when it had a circuit breaker, the market went up after that? So we'll see what happens.
Wait. You mean Monday?
You remember when they had a circuit breaker last week?
It was this Monday.
Oh yeah, this Monday.
They went up after that?
Yeah, didn't it? We'll see. I think it's going down, man. I'll be in touch, but I'm gonna hold.
Dude, that's a pretty hardcore hammer candle at 569.
569.
Yeah, like the last 1 minute was a pretty hardcore hammer candle.
It was just an indecision.
Well, yeah, but it still counts.
Yeah. So I think it could go down. We want it to be red. I want to make 10K.
Okay, dude, 10K it is.
See ya, man.
Good luck.
All right, bye.
See ya. Okay, holy shit, the market just got halted. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. So we're not. What do we got like 15 minutes and no trading. Okay. This is literally fucking amazing. Look, I'm not gonna lie. The only thing that matters, I think, right now is VIX puts. These guys should skyrocket to 69. I want to buy puts at 69. I really don't think they'll do more than 2 circuit breakers in the same week. But like, what if these guys fucking go to 90? Could you imagine if they go to 90? I'm gonna. All right, we've got 15 minutes. Let's get 10-minute countdown. Okay, good. Yeah, see, in 2008, the highest they ever went to was about 77. Yeah, 77. So I'm thinking we'll get 3-month contracts if we can afford 3-monthies. 'Cause they went to 90. So the question is, are we gonna go to 90? The answer very well could be that it goes to 90. Holy shit, okay. Oh my god, I've never been in a trade during a market halt before. This is crazy. Okay. So there's 2 things that could happen here. The first thing is the next candle is green and it explodes. The second thing is it's red and it tapers off for the rest of the day. It looks like this position right here failed VWAP. So the thing that's risky is after halts come undone, you have really volatile stocks. Just massive volatility. So I could set a stop loss at like 14.3. The only thing is, if this candle could go down a bunch and then actually turn out to be a green candle. But it did fail VWAP. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to do a 15 share stop at 14.3. And then we'll do another 10 in our back pocket. This is going to be a bad position. This is very not good. But we'll do 15 there and we'll wait for the candle after that. Oh my god. Literally, holy shit. Yeah, this is some good shit. This right here could be a really good bounce. If they hit like 397, I'll buy with a stop loss at 383. And I'll mark those on the chart. Holy shit. I want to see what these guys did on Monday. So they peaked in the early morning, which I think makes total sense. Yeah, dude. Like, these guys should go down to probably 50 by the end of the day, maybe 55. The 55 puts are 5 for this Friday. It's not great risk reward at all, and that's why it's a tougher trade to make, because you have to have a really good risk reward to play market games like this. Alright, we got like 8 minutes. Yeah, dude, this is fucking money right here. I might close some of this position out when it hits 240. But yeah, that's about it. I mean, really, it's just a trade on the VIX. If we can trade the VIX or not, everything else. Like, we've looked at Microsoft. You know what the crazy thing is their stock's down. It's like 6% today. MSFT. I mean, their puts are only up. Like, oh, wait, never mind. All the options pricing data is fucked up when the market gets halted, so I can't tell. Everything looks like it's a penny, but it's obviously not a penny. Dude, if you could buy these things for a penny, that would be like gold. You can actually trade options when the market's frozen, which is why I'm on my phone right now, because I can still make trades in option markets. And I will do that. Oh man, what a trade. Okay. So basically, I think we got our stuff on lock right here. I mean, this is a really good day. Might have messed up the first trade, possibly, but that's okay, because we have other trades. This is nice. This crosses over. It's going to $2 easy. I'm gonna prep a trade on that. That looks really good. This doesn't look as good anymore, but AYTU does. Entry here is at like 158. Call it 160. I gotta get out of this other position if I want to get into this trade because I don't have the capital to do 2 trades. 1.6. We'll call it 4 by that. It's like 250. Which means I might have to dump this trade because this is a better trade from what I can tell. Alright, how much time do we have? Alright, we got about 4 minutes, it looks like. Maybe 3. Excuse me. I like the trades we have up right now. I'm going to focus on those. It looks like the market price just went to 15.5. Maybe. So, we'll see. Bids at 14.2, which is actually really bad because that's below my stop loss. The ask is at like 18. This stock took a shit. Yeah, it looks like they fell out of the wedge to the negative, so they could go to like 13 bucks today. So I don't want to be messing with that. Max loss on this is at 1406. We'll call it 13.92 flat, just to be careful. This is not going to be a pretty trade. This is not going to be a pretty trade. I know that the market's really volatile after the circuit breaker comes off, so I'm going to keep that there, but I want to do it at, like after 20 seconds of market opening, just because it can be really volatile. So 13.92 it is. Okay. What's 15 minutes? It's been like 15 minutes, right? Da 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 da. Separate them forever. This perspective anew. I am me, I am you. That's this is for me. Separate them together. These perspectives anew. I am me, I am you. Ba da 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 ba da 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 mew. If I was more conservative, what I could have done here is waited for it to cross VWAP. The only reason I didn't, because I've seen this candlestick set up like twice in the last couple of days, and usually it does well. I think the reason it's not doing well is just because the way the market's been right now. You have to be a little more careful with the bullish candlestick setups that are at like pivot bottoms, because the pivot bottoms can really just keep on going lower if the market isn't gonna keep it high. So we'll see what it does. I want 948 stop on this. The moment this candle closes, we're upping both the stops to 7.2. Yeah, this shit's going up. I'm going to combine these two the moment this candle closes. We're going to set a collective stop at 1485 in 30 seconds. Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god, look at this stock! Oh my god, send the fucking order. All right. Might have been bad idea. No, definitely good idea. It failed. So if it fails, you gotta get out. Not as bad as I thought it was though. It got some back, which is good. CEMI. Hey, what's up, dude?
Dude, it's going way down.
Holy
554.
shit!
What do you
What the fuck?
think? Dude, if it goes below 550. What is your call on it? Look at the chart.
I'm looking at it, bro. It's right below the VWAP bands. I don't fucking know, man.
This is insane.
Have you hit 10 grand?
7 right now.
You're at 7?
Yeah, if it goes below 550, though, I think it's gonna be a big drop.
You think it'll drop when it goes below 550?
I don't know, man. It's at 550 right now.
Yeah, I bet your ass at 550.
You think we'll have another circuit breaker?
No. 500 over 0.29.
Huh?
Sorry, I'm doing a trade.
Oh, you're on YouTube.
Yeah, bro. Alright, they're at 550.
Yeah, 550. I think it's a pretty big level here, 550. I think, dude, if they could be at 500 by the end of the day.
What's it look like in terms of that triangle wedge for the 30-minute?
Yeah, that was a definite breakout. I mean, that was like an $80 range. So if you took that off the breakout,
What would that target be?
I don't know where you consider the breakout at. Maybe 630 minus 80.
Alright, dude, I'll tell you what. If this candle closes green, I would get out. If it closes red, I would sell. Or I would stay in. 2762.
You mean red, green, red?
Yeah,
Would you do a
exactly.
Market sell market?
What?
Would you do a market sell or would you do a limit order?
I mean, what's it at? 50?
84.
It's at 84? Yeah, I would do like a limit. It's not looking good. It'll bounce off the 9 possibly, but that's your call, dude.
Alright, I'll get out. Shit. Cool, man. Yeah, I'm in class, so I mean, I wouldn't have to.
You're in class?
Yep.
Oh my god.
That's pretty good. I'll take it. That was 300%.
300%. God damn. That's so good, Jake. Congrats, man.
Yeah, how's KEM? I hadn't even looked at him.
They're
They're
at
down
23.
64 cents.
Yeah, dude. Our puts just hit $2/$1 in the money.
I think we're in good shape with them, dude.
Dude, they went to 22.5 this morning before the halt.
I know for like one candle.
I think they'll go back down by the end of the day.
Yeah. Holy cow.
That is so awesome, dude.
Alright, man. Are you trading options today?
No, just pre-market gainers.
Okay.
Like, I've got calls and stuff. It's all swing.
Yeah, yeah. We'll see what Tesla does, dude. They're the VWAP now.
Yeah, you bet your ass with the VWAP.
I think they'll bounce down. I don't know. I'm glad I'm out though. So, alright, man. I appreciate it. Good luck with your trading. We'll talk later today. What time are you going to be available?
You bet. I don't know. Dude, I don't know what you're doing in school. Like, all my classes are, like, canceled. They're all, like, online because of the virus.
Well, yeah, we start that on Monday.
Oh, you start that on Monday. Okay.
It's going to be a lot of good trading next week.
Yeah, I bet your ass, dude. Oh, my God.
Like a conference call. Alright, man.
Wait. What's that gain, though? What's that gain in dollars?
6,500.
Nice!
Yeah.
In 2 days!
Yeah, 2 days, man.
Dude, congratulations. That is awesome. You're so impressive.
Alright, man. We'll see you.
Alright, I'll see you. Have fun.
Bye.
Okay, these just guys, I think they just got halted because they went down 15% too quickly. I'll look what the news is on them. We probably have about 28 seconds. Excuse me. CMI. It's coronavirus shit. At 3, like 100 shares. I tried to get filled on these guys, but I didn't. I submitted like 2 orders and neither of them got filled, which is fucking insane. But you know, what are you gonna do? This is DSS. Stop loss on this trade's at 164. Entries at 178. It's about 225. Target on this trade is this height added to itself, which is about 225. All around, all around. We're taking off. Oh, dude, fuck, I know. Holy shit. Dude, I think Jake might just go and fucking buy some more puts if these guys hit 595. He's a smart guy. He knows how to do VWAP bans. Whoa! That's so... Alright, they either break out of this, they don't. We go over to the screener. Alright, looks like they're going down. I really gotta go to the bathroom, sorry. If this doesn't happen in 2 minutes, I gotta go to the bathroom. Look at that shit! 27%, dude! And the TLRDs are up, what the fuck? Alright, I'm going to the bathroom. Unless this candle's green. Alex, guess what? The market exploded again. Alright, I think the VIX might have just hit its peak at 69. Let me see. Do I have anything I can do on my phone to short that shit with a reasonable risk reward? Oh. What are the puts? And what's the VXX look like? Oh wait, that's the ticker, right? It's VXX? Yeah, VIX short term. Yeah. Alright, what do these look like in April? You can get 50 puts, which I think is a good strike price, for like 10 bucks. 10 bucks. Upside is like, you can maybe double your money if they go to 30. That's really not that good. This looks like a better trade, I think. Are these guys gonna go to 69? Do you remember me? 69 is pretty high for them. I would probably look at like 35 puts. 35 puts in April are $2 This is what I'm talking about right here. Okay, I'm gonna watch these guys. We're gonna get 35 Aprils eventually. I think we have a little bit more time because these guys already crashed a bunch, even though the VIX hasn't crashed that much yet. VIX is about to crash a boatload, but there's not a lot to trade on it just because it's so highly traded. Everything's super expensive. So let's get back over here and see if we can find anything good. This trade has been really bad, like just god awful for the entire day. So I don't think I'm gonna mess with it. We're gonna sort by volume. Oh shit, what's this? Oh, guys, I cannot tell you how pissed off I am I didn't get filled on this trade. Oh, that's so funny though. Yeah, DSS. Dude, I tried. I fucking pushed the button, man. Push the button. I guess I should have pushed market buy. Oh well. This is a nice wedge, though. If I wasn't in the bathroom, you could kind of see this wedge and get in on that. Oh well. Too late, too late. Just afraid. If this breaks VWAP, we'll buy. Wide. Why there and sewing us, dragging me aside. Our constellation. Are there together, they never notice me at all. These guys break VWAP, we'll buy. Shit. Just dying, I don't know what to say, but when you're with me, it's like 3,000 shares. Anyway, so just believe me, even if the words don't come out. Is this an ABCD setup? Target is this height right here from 1233 to 927. 1233 minus 927 plus 1233 gives us a target of 1549. Just right here. Entry point on this trade aggressively is at 1 basically 12. I'll do an entry point at 1272. Stop loss on the trade is basically, I would say 113. That's nice. That's really nice. Said I got that nip inside. Don't take this feeling if I tried. Can't tell you how. If I took away this time, that I never kept up is all about. Some kind of feel. Whoa, whoa, some kind of magic. Went up to thinking and hearts cannot explain. Even if I really say away every time you say my name. Alright, entry points right here. Uh-oh, no. Yeah, I can't tell you. I can't tell you. Ooh, some kind of magic. Hit that beat in my eyes. Ooh, 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 some kind of magic. Let's see what the news is. DECN, DECN, DECN. What happened? They made us kit that allows them to screen for the coronavirus. I mean, I guess that's cool. Alright, they'll either do it or they won't. I'm gonna give these guys 3 minutes. Alright, here it goes. I might bop this trade with a stop at 1135, entry at 1165. And Jody who can have this town. Alright, fucking nice. See if we can fatty boy this bid. What's the spread? Spread's like half a cent. It's got 15 seconds to close green, and stop at 115. Honestly, probably 1164. Oh shit, there's a big guy buying at 0.2. Come on, fill that shit. You're kidding me. Stop loss is up to 117. Oh, come on. Alright, screw it. There's a lot of upside on this trade. I'm not chasing it any further. Stop loss is at 1175. Maybe I should have used a market order. I don't know, I'm so adverse to market orders, but this stock has a pretty tight spread, so it might have been okay to do back when it was at 1181. So maybe next time I'll use a market order. I mean, it's a pretty reasonable thing to do. Because if you don't, you end up having to wait for a 1 minute pullback, which is fine. But I just don't know if it'll pull back or not. And then it does pull back. Dude, fucking film. Did you see that? Did you just see that? Oh, God. This is a really good position. It'll fill me or it won't. Okay, this better fucking fill me. I'm literally above every other person on the bid by like a factor of 12 tenths of a penny. Fill. Come on, dude. This has gone below my order like 3 times. This is crazy. I know it's a cheap stock, but still, like, what the fuck? If this thing does a green, red, green, like, I might just push market. Because it's a really good setup. If it closes green at this price level in 12 seconds, I'm pushing market. 6 seconds. Oh, I don't have buying power. This has been one of the weirder trades. Definitely made a new high, which is exactly what you want. Seeking out to me. I'm gonna increment the stop. Oh my gosh. Stop doing that. I think I did get filled here on the limit buy, so at least that's a feat in and of itself for a stock like this, apparently. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, maybe I shouldn't have disabled that. That's actually a really important warning. Shit. So the question is it gonna bounce off a 9 or not? Damn. Alright, well I guess this confirms my trade that my hypothesis that chasing trades is stupid, because I chased this trade pretty hardcore and it was not a good trade, which kind of sucks. But like, I don't know, I thought it was gonna break a new high and do an ABCD setup. It just didn't. I'm not that upset though, because we risked about a fifth of what our profit was, maybe a fourth of what our profit was, so it's a good trade. I should have been filled here, and I don't like. I don't know. I should have probably done a buy on the market. So I'll do that next time. It's good to know. There's no fucking way. Like, I could be the dumbest guy on the planet, and there's no way I can mess up the gains we have today in other accounts. Which is it's a good feeling. It's nice. These guys are hanging up there. There are also a couple of trades today that just kind of like missed, and I think the same thing happened where like I missed them because I didn't do market orders, and like it might have hit like 5% of my profit, but I probably should have still done a market order instead of trying to chase the trade. So I'll kind of think about that next time. Till I'm ready. Don't get me up till I'm awake. She says, son, it's time to start the day. It's an inverted head and shoulder setup with a wedge. The stock has no resistances anywhere. Stop loss is at 1487. Entries at 5.3. I can't short. Oh no, it went down. Like, if it breaks out on the downside, I can't short. City of life, baby, everything you're talking about feels like life, yeah? Till the break of day, oh. Alright. These guys are going towards VWAP. It's kind of a big journey for them. I would have bought them when they came out of this wedge, but like I was in the other trade, so I couldn't. So, you know, what are you gonna do? But yeah, this was a nice wedge. They broke right out of it. This is where you would buy, like right here, and then stop loss would be like right here. Target would be probably about 4, to be honest. I can't short this, or else I would be buying the hell out of it right here. But I can't, so. I wonder what CMEI did. Oh, this is CMEI, never mind. Well, I may as well see what Tesla did. I don't know, why not? Yeah, that makes sense, that makes sense. I was telling this guy to sell at 569 just for the meme, but he got a better price at 5.6. It's very impressive. Jump with me. Jump with me. Dude, if these guys had puts, I would buy like fucking 10 of them right now. Oh my god, they totally do. Holy crap. Okay. Why are the strikes at 2.5? Oh, that sucks ass. There's like a $4 spread. I mean, how are you supposed to trade? That's really needs a strike price at like $1 or 50 cents. Alright, here comes the VIX. See if it bounces at 65. I don't want to mess with these puts. They're way too far spread apart. This is an M setup. I think I traded this stock already. Yeah, I did. I didn't do a good job on it either. Yeah, I would short it to probably 10.39. We'll kind of see how that trade works out. This is a W. They should break above this. They break view up to go to 5.5, make like 10% on that. That would help me. Be net positive on the day. I'd be kind of happy. I'll prep an order for that at 5. But in reality, you're probably not going to get filled until you get to like 5.010, 5.10, which I can deal with. to like probably 50, 60 shares. I don't know, 60. 4. Oh, that's a daily chart or weekly chart. Whoops. So it looks like a head and shoulders setup, and I can't short, so. This is pretty nice. Here goes puts falling. It means the VIX will fall too. Yeah. So probably should buy some puts on those guys. So I'll tell you what, we'll do April 24th at 39 strike. I don't know. It's pretty reasonable. Oh, I think we traded this, yeah. Yeah, I think we've exasperated our stocks for the day. Unless you guys want to trade Friday calls and puts on big boys, which kind of would be fun. But we could also save our day trade for tomorrow. So I think that's probably what I'll do. That feels like a really good setup. This is kind of an inverted head and shoulders setup. But it's a bottom start one, so those aren't usually as effective when they come up from the bottom into the setup. Usually it just turns out to be an M. But, I mean, I could still buy puts on it. Let's see. I have to get 370 strike. 370 strike. Oh, man. That's still a pretty good chunk of this account. That's a good feeling right there. I might close half this position today on my March part of it. It's gone up by a factor of 20, which means that if I sell 5% of it, I'll have no incurred risk on this trade. These puts expire next Friday. At least this portion of them do. Let's see what they look like. Well, lucky for me, I can pull them up right here. 24s. Oh shit, 490 on the ask? I will sell the hell out of these for 420. Last one was at 1.5. It's a guy. I mean, really, the only question is, oh yeah, Apple's down. I think really the only question is if next week's gonna be green week or not. And honestly, that's a hard one to answer. Because this was a pretty rough week for everybody. So next week could be, but it could also be red, so I don't know. These guys will be at 240, but whether they'll be at 240 by the end of the month is up in the air. It'll be 240 by like April 20. I'm gonna see if these get filled. And yeah, because somebody's on the ask at 480 at 23 strike, which is a lot. The volume is like 10 contracts, maybe 15 contracts. So we'll see if that gets filled or not. I put all 6 at 4.2, which I think is very reasonable. Because for those to be worth 4.2, the stock's got to go to like 20 in the next week. Which, I mean, it's going to go there, but I don't know if it's going to go there in the next week. And so I'll take 4.2. Yeah, that'd be great. Paid about 10 cents for these contracts, so you know, cool 2,000, 4,000% would be kind of nice. Right now, the inherent value is about $1.50. $1.02. It looks like somebody just bid it at 230, which sucks, but I'm not selling these for 230 because it'll go to 22. So we'll see what it does. If I can exit this position, it'll cover my cost basis for the entire trade, which, and the rest of the trade's worth like 8, I think. Yeah, the rest of the trade's worth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,000. Which is pretty nice because it started at like 700. So I'll take it. It's freaking great. Didn't do too well today. I think we were down probably 7%, which kind of sucks. It's pretty bad. But as part of the overall portfolio, it's like nothing. So, I mean, it's good. I mean, it's not saying it's good. It's still pretty bad, but you know, it's not like a huge chunk. Yeah. So like, I want to buy VIX puts. They're too fucking expensive. I can get better returns elsewhere. If you have money to throw away, VIX puts are the way to go. I don't know if they'll go up to 90 or not. My target was 69 and they hit it. The math just doesn't work out on that trade very well. As much as I want it to, it's like trying to time the market, which is hard to do. You know? If they get a 90, I'll buy them, but like it's just hard to do. However, I'm going to enjoy this volatility very much over the coming weeks. Alright, unless there's anything new here, I think we're going to be done for the day. Okay, this looks kind of new. I don't think I saw these guys this morning. Everything else we've seen, yeah? Yeah, everything else we've seen. Except for this one stock. What the hell is this one stock? This doesn't look like it's going anywhere. And neither does this. But this could really go somewhere. This could be an ABCD. I think that'll be our last trade for the day. Unless I get filled on some of these other positions. Tell you differently. Yeah, the Apples are up 60, the AMDs are up 40. Alexa, 138 minus 169.
138 minus 169 is minus 31.
Wait, that was wrong. Alright, target's 207. Entry is 154-ish. Stops down here. We've done this trade today already, so I wanna see something really good come out of this because it didn't work earlier. But it could have just been bad luck on that stock. It also could have been the market, and that's the thing I'm worried about. As if it was just people worried about it because of the way the market is right now. Because if it was that, then it's just like the same trade will probably do the same thing. So you got to be a little bit careful. Entries at like 1.6 conservatively on 3.4, 1.6, like 2.27, it's like 2.25. CSP, CB. cool. We'll see what they do. On the trades we made today with POIA, I don't think we traded this actually. I tried to, it didn't. With APT though, it looks like we made the right decision getting out. Here, I think is what we sold, because they just kept going down. Similarly, let's see what the other stock was. The other stock was DECN. I don't think we got filled on that one. I mean, I tried to get filled on that one, but I didn't. I wanted to go up here and oh wait, maybe the, oh yeah. Okay. So we got stopped out here, and obviously that was a good stop out, so it's good shit. The other trades that we didn't get filled on were what were they? The other trades were DSS. DSS we tried to buy here. Would have fucking doubled our money, which is pretty dope. Unfortunately, we missed out on that one, so what are you gonna do? Kind of hurts, but it gives me belief that my day trades are worth it. And then the other one, I know there was one other stock. I think it was DS. No, it wasn't DSS. We traded those days. Is DECN. DECN, we, oh wait, no, it was a different, it was like a 10-cent stock. Oh wait, this is a 10-cent stock. Yeah, so we tried to get fill here, but we didn't, and then we chased it, which was silly, and then we lost money because we chased it. So a lot of good lessons to learn from those today. Honestly though, really impressed with DSS. I know we didn't get filled, but goddamn, that's a really good gain right there. And it's a really simple setup. It's just a VWAP crossover, and the thing goes from 28 cents to 50. Like, that's really impressive. It's really cool. A couple of stocks we were following yesterday were Sprint. We wanted Sprint to go, I think, under 8.4, and they are under 8.4, which is good. The other thing we wanted to see was EUFN. We wanted to see EUFN below 15, and holy shit, they're below 15. But we were looking at buying calls, so obviously that would not be a good idea right now. I want to finish out this position on SPCB, and then we'll look at the dark pool stuff, and then I think we'll be done for the day. Because there is a lot of stuff right here. A lot of Teva. Teva's been a big mover. VIX at 65. Yeah, like I said, these guys are probably going to crash for the rest of the day. I'd say conservatively they'll close the day at 6.2. Like, I would trade these puts, but it's just like, dude, I don't know about that upside. You know, your panel, it's 65 strike. It's like a pretty big trade. And so it's just, I don't know. But also these Tesla 640s for Friday went from like 20 to 70, and they were really higher. Yeah, I mean, this must have been when they were at 80, so it's pretty damn nice. So expensive doesn't mean bad trades, what I meant to say there. Because he's tripled, quadrupled in a day, which is pretty freaking awesome. So we'll see if this trade works out. If it doesn't, I'm going to go to the bathroom. We'll do dark pool stuff, and then we'll finish up the day. People have been trading Plug a lot lately. They're an energy company, and they've been really out there. I think the strat here is if it closes 3 candles green above VWAP, we'll buy with a stop loss at the 9 moving average at like 111. So I'm just going to mark that as a target right here, like 111. And that'll be like our stop loss. Woo! Wow. Wow. Oh no, they went up. Go back down. Go back down. You know what? Jake said these guys were in a 30-minute setup. This is why it's good to get outside perspectives. Oh, I kind of see what it did there. Also, I think the first trade that we kind of broke even on was pretty funny because I've never gotten stopped in a trade when the entire market got frozen before. So that was a good experience to have. I'm excited about that. Yeah, this looks good. I mean, like, I don't know what to tell you. This freaking just looks good, man. This does not look good. So move to the bathroom, and then we'll do swing trades. Oh man, my foot. Alright, never mind. Alex is in the bathroom, so there goes our prospects of going to the bathroom. If this candle glows green, I'll buy this stock right now. It's gotta close green above like 110. Stop at 104. It's got 12 seconds, dude. 20 seconds. Gosh. There's a math test like last week. No, it was a physics test. It was interesting. It's a hard test. I tried though. I did really hard. So you gotta close at 110. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope. That thing's shit. Left from the start. Being out, baby. Being out, baby. Ha ha ha. Alright. It's a pretty damn good short right there. It was a head and shoulders setup. Somebody looks like they just closed their position and made a lot of money because of it. You could trade this as a bounce. Sprints at 840. Yo, sprints at 840. Yeah, I might snap these right here, right now. That's freaking hot. That's a great setup. That's freaking hot. That's a great setup. The question is the economy gonna go to shit? The answer is like more than likely yes. Dude, I'm 5% today. It's good. Okay. Why don't I pull up the chain and see what's going on? Oh wow, very impressive. S. Something we'll do like April 24th. That gives us till here, which I think is pretty reasonable. Probably like 7 or 8 strike, probably 8 strike. And 750 strikes a fourth, a fifth of the price. They'll probably go to maybe 650. So that's actually not a lot of upside for us. If you buy 7 5s, you'll make $1. You'll double your money. At 650, but that's not really good. Like I want at least triple. Much as I want to trade sprint, I just don't see a good ratio on this trade. It'll go down. You can short it if you got cash to burn. Yeah, these guys have been going down forever. People like these, I guess because they're power company. But yeah, they're pretty low. I don't see much of a trade here, to be honest. Okay, this could be good. Is this an oil? I think this is oil. Yeah, it is definitely oil. Playing oil right now is super risky. But somebody just sold a boatload of this. Looks like about 10 million. Oh wait, no, it's the wrong ticker, sorry. What ticker was I looking at? What is this? AMLP? Did I type in this ticker wrong? I totally fucking typed in the ticker wrong. Whoops. I think it's the same underlying asset though. Yeah, it's the same underlying asset. This is basically an energy sector oil play. The question is, what are the options? The answer is they have really weird strike prices. What the heck? Why is it a $6 strike? No one's gonna buy a $6 strike. Okay, I don't know why. Yahoo Finance sometimes doesn't have the greatest data for the options. They always have kind of delayed data. Okay, so you can get calls on this stock. And we'll just look at this stock for a second because this is the one that the trade was actually on. You can get $3 calls, which I think is pretty dope, for 85 cents. Or you can get March 20th $4 calls for 58 cents, which expire in like a week, right? Yeah. These guys will go up a bunch. What are calls on them? I like the 4045s. They're $17. Oh wait, those are puts. $10. Okay, that's a pretty expensive trade. I'm not gonna make it, but if I had stupid money, I would. Maybe, possibly, maybe. I don't know. These guys would probably go to 410, which would mean you'd net 50%, which isn't bad, but it's also risky. These, on the other hand, this kind of looks good, so let's see what's going on here. Guys, I'm telling you, we're on our way. We're on our way. We're gonna freaking hit PDT. It's gonna be good. This is a sketchy trade. Like I said, you can get... Why don't we look at the other one? Because I think this is the other one. Yeah, AMLP is a similar company, but it looks like it has less volume. A similar ETF, I mean. So you can get Marches. How are the calls up today? What the fuck? You can get $4 calls that expire tomorrow for 10 cents. What the shit? That's actually a really good deal. That's a really good deal. Oh my god. Wait, really? MLPA. MLP. I want to make sure I'm looking at the same company here. So someone did transaction at 340. What's the low of day? MLPA. MLPA at 340. That was the fucking low of day. Somebody just bought the hell out of this stock. I think we might buy these. Not these, but AMPL. I love that body. We like to party. Move that. We like to. 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 I love that body. We like to party. Move that body. We like to party. Move that body. We like to party. This is the weekly. If these guys hit $5 tomorrow, we'll 10x our investment. Do I have any BP in this account? I have 33 cents of BP. It's not looking good, guys. I need to switch accounts, man. Do you want to make this trade? It's really risky. It's like stupid risky. Yo, CZR is at fucking 8? Wow. So's Neo. So's Gold. Well, not 8, but Gold's down. I think they're down. Yeah, they're down. It's actually really weird. They should be up right now. I think it's because it's an ETF. Like, the actual underlying gold shouldn't be down. Oh, okay. I guess it's down. But it's down half as much, so. I might do puts on these guys. Well, apparently not. I think really the big question is, should we do $4 calls expiring tomorrow? No, not tomorrow. Expiring on Friday. On AMLP. And for me, the answer to that question is I would do it if I had like some money in this account, but I'd put this in TLRD calls because they report earnings after market today. So maybe I could sell half of that. So we'll see if this fills. Then I'll take this. I'll put them on Friday AMLPs. And should be good. Is that fair? I think that's fair. Alright. Somebody's selling Twitter and Snapchat are both also like they're taking huge shits. But which is not a surprise at all. That could be a Head and Shoulders setup. I might do like June puts at 28. They're up 60% today. Yeah, it makes sense. They're down a bunch today. Holy crap. Target's 23. Those puts would basically double at $4, which isn't really good enough for me. So we're gonna move past that. Pretty cool to see it though. It's a big drop. There's been a lot of volume in Veil lately, like a lot. And I think this is why. Yeah. Hey Siri, call Jake.
Calling Jake Crapster.
Such a good song.
Hey, this is Jake Crapster. Thanks for calling. Please leave your name and phone number. I'll get back to you shortly. Have a great day. Goodbye.
At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey Jay, congrats on Tesla, man. Yeah, they're right back at 560, which is what? Right where you sold, which is pretty crazy. But everything's, I think, where you sold it at, which is pretty freaking sweet. But hey, I want to let you know, yeah, the 640s are 80, which is what you sold at, I'm pretty sure. So congrats on that. Someone just sold another $120 million of Disney. So I thought you might want to know that. But yeah, man, besides that, freaking crush it. Congratulations again, and have an awesome day. This could be an inverted Head and Shoulders setup. Totally could be an inverted Head and Shoulders setup. Dude, if this hits like 23, it'll go down to 20 or 15. I'm going to put an alert on that. The moment that alert gets triggered, we are going to go hard on it. Ticker is Teva. Last price greater than or equal to 23. Create alert. Okay, cool. Awesome. 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 There was this one company, God, what was it? That we were just trading. I think it was BSGM. No, it's not much on those guys. Okay, I think we're about done for the day. I don't see too many here that we haven't seen 100 times. Just a lot of really rich people trading box spreads in these bonds, which makes sense because they're dropping by a bunch. Just out of curiosity, I don't know if these guys have puts or not, but if they do, I would like to know how much they cost. HYG. Okay, cool. So you can get like April 3rd puts at 78 for like $3, which is a pretty bad deal. The most you're gonna do is double your money on that. You know what's interesting is ABB is one I think I got out of very recently, and it's in this big wedge, but it's about to drop out of it really hardcore. So what I might do is I might buy like 15 strike puts on this. And I'll draw this wedge if the puts look like they're well priced so that you can see what the trade is. I'm thinking like July's. They don't have July's, so I'll look at September, I guess. They're up 85% today! Oh my god. So here's the support right there. Here's the resistance. Kind of like, I feel like, wait, was this? Yeah, like this. Kind of like that. Anyway, point is it's an upward wedge, and it just went below the 200 weekly, 200 monthly moving average. If you look at it the weekly, you've got about the same thing going on here. But see, what's interesting is the market has never been like dying before. So I think this could really be the thing that sets it off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy 15 puts, June expiration. Wait, what number month is June? Alex, do you know what number month June is?
6.
Thanks, Alex. Wait, really? Is July 7?
You said June or
June.
July? What?
June.
Yeah, June is 6.
Jesus. Okay, thanks. Okay. Honestly, that's probably enough time. The June 15s are $1. They're up 145% today. Holy shit. Wow. Okay, the June 15s are $1.40. I think this will probably go to like $11, maybe $12. So that gives you say it goes to 11. It's like 4 over 1.4. It's about a 2.85 x. And then the other ones are only $1.50, $1.60. So I think those are probably worth getting an extra month of time out of it. And you can buy $14 puts for $1.35. So if they go to 11, You've got 11 minus, or I guess 14 minus 11 is 3. Over 1.23 is about 2.5. Targeting 11. Just kind of aggressive. Hey, Jake.
Hey, brother John, how's it going?
Freaking awesome.
Did you kill it today on YouTube?
I hope so. We actually did really bad day trading. It was really kind of funny. But, I mean, we still, like, I think I'd made, like, $2,500 today on the long-term swings. And,
Really?
yeah.
What about KEM? How much are we up?
Yeah, dude, it's so good. They're at 23. 22.8.
What are we up, like 1,000 or 2 in that account?
As, like, money, for me, I'm up, like, 9 grand.
Really? You talking about total?
Yeah, total.
So we're up about 1,000 today then.
Oh,
I don't know how much.
yeah, that's about right, because I think half my money...
traded Tesla twice.
Yeah. Oh, you traded Tesla twice?
Yeah, I saw they were in like a flag and they dropped out of it, so I made like 500 more.
You made... What'd you do, buy 575 puts?
I bought 555 puts.
Oh, dude, that's fucking ballsy.
Yeah, I was like, shit, now we have like $15,000 of cash, and might as well just start trading. Like
Oh my god, that's so cool!
Yeah, so I'm ran out of day trades, so I'm done.
Yeah, no, that's the feels, man. That hurts. But you're so close to getting the PDT. It's like doesn't even matter.
Once I get margin, man, then I can just trade like, oh my god.
Well, you still have PDT.
Huh?
You'll still have PDT with margin.
No, you won't. Not if you're above 25,000.
Right, yeah. I thought you were 15.
No, I'm saying once I get to 25.
Right, yeah.
I'm gonna still do cash account now. Once I get 25, I'll go to a margin.
Oh, that's smart, dude. That is so
Once we-
cool.
Yeah, always. I mean, I'm not gonna have a margin until I get 25. But once we get 25, man, and we start trading like unlimited.
Oh man, it's so good.
Yeah, just getting to 25, man. We're one step closer.
Yeah, dude. Honestly, I think KEM could be the one that does it, cause this thing goes to 18, and that's like 30
If
grand.
we do well in that, that's in my Robinhood. I'll transfer everything. out
Yeah,
of
just
Robinhood.
transfer everything. We have to
Put it
make it work
today.
this year though, before we have to pay taxes on the gains.
Huh?
We have to do it this year before we have to pay taxes on the gains.
Yeah, that's right. I think we'll be at 25, man.
That's awesome, dude.
Yeah, I mean, that's like doubling my portfolio, basically.
Yeah, I think mine's
How
up.
many people are gonna double their portfolios this year?
Dude, I'm up
Not many.
640% this month.
Hell yeah, dude. I'm saying, like, me and
It's
you, like,
crazy.
active traders,
Most
yeah,
people are
like,
losing money. Like, they're losing their asses right now.
Even these day traders, man, I've been watching, they're losing like 5,000 a day.
Wow, dude, that is awful. Most people don't know how to set a stop loss. It's insane.
Yeah, but I think,
What's that as a
once
percentage, do you
we
know?
just get a lot of cash in our account with the margin, we'll have a lot more flexibility.
Yeah, for sure.
We're doing really risky shit right now, which is fine, and we kind of know we know stop loss and stuff, but just having a good cushion is good to have.
Yeah.
So we'll try to make some more kicks here soon. I think KEM, I'm gonna stay in them, and you think the market? Yeah, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Going
Yeah.
down.
I don't think we'll ever hit another
It's so
high.
ridiculous, though, just because of the virus and stuff.
Dude, the virus wasn't the problem. The virus was like the match that like lit the gasoline can.
Yeah, you think it was way overbought?
Well, I mean, it's just yield curves and unemployment. It's just like numbers, dude.
Yeah, I'm waiting for gas to be $1.50, man.
Yeah, there's been a lot of crazy trading on gas.
What is it down there, gas right now?
What, Brent? Oh, you mean the
I'm
actual?
talking about at the station down there in Georgia.
Dude, I don't know. I'm on college all the time.
Okay, yeah, I imagine it's below $2.
Probably.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool, man.
It's freaking
Heck
awesome.
Yeah.
What do you think
Yeah.
about utilities, stuff like ABB, like wholesale
Dude,
manufacturing?
I buy Duke Energy whenever I can. That company is like should be $100 stock right now.
What company?
Duke Energy.
Oh, Duke, yeah.
Dude, they were at 103. Now they're like 90 or below, I think. I wouldn't
Yeah,
know.
but dude, I mean, there's gonna be a recession.
I think it's still. I mean, they get the 4% dividend, man. They got going.
Yeah, I mean, you're right. It's up to 4, yeah.
I mean, if you're asking me utilities, I mean, Dominion, D, They're strong in Duke. I mean, I don't know if I can give you any stronger names, man.
Yeah, you're
Company's
right.
Pretty good down there in Atlanta.
Yeah.
I think Southern Company. I don't know what they're at, but they basically doubled this past year.
It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna probably put some cash in that long-term stuff, dude.
That's awesome.
Yeah, but maybe one day next week when I'm done with, I won't have classes here. We'll do we can do a webcam or something,
Oh, that's so fun.
So I'll definitely be in touch. But with KEM, I hadn't checked today. It sounds like they're down some.
If you got long-term stuff, dude, check out gold, because this stuff does really well in crashes.
Gold, yeah, I saw. We're kind of late though, aren't we?
I mean, they went down a bunch today. They'll probably go to like 2225.
I just want to know when the bottom is. We'll have to try to predict when it's the bottom.
The bottom of what? The market?
Everything crashing, yeah.
Oh, dude, that's gonna be like in a year. I mean, we got time to wait for
You
that.
think this will be bigger in 08?
Well, I mean, yeah. It's a longer
Yeah.
build-up.
You think Dow's going below 20,000?
Oh, did you just say 20,000? Bro, the
Yeah.
Dow is like easily in the next year and a half to 2 years gonna be at like probably 16, 17.
16,000.
Yeah.
Damn, dude, you are pretty good, a pretty big one then.
I mean, there's a good chance we go to the 200 monthly, which is
Wow.
15.
I tell you what, when it gets to the bottom, man, I'm putting every fucking penny I can.
It's so
And you
smart.
will too.
Yeah, man, 100%.
I don't care if it's not the bottom, but close. I'm putting it in because I know, man. In about 10 years, we're gonna be it's gonna be great.
It's gonna be freaking. Yeah, that's awesome.
So, we'll be in touch, though, man. Good luck with your studies today.
Thanks, man. Have a fun day.
See you, brother John.
Bye, Jake. Alright. This trade looks pretty good. I need to transfer money out of the corporate account and put the trades in the corporate account. And I can't do that on stream because I have to log out of everything and then change all the passwords and stuff. So I don't see any other big dark pool trades. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop stream. Got to finish it for the day. Log into the corporate account, see if it makes sense to do these positions. If it does, I'll do them. If it doesn't, then I won't. And I'll keep you guys updated. I probably won't trade tomorrow. I mean, it is Friday. If the market's down 5% again, then I'll probably trade tomorrow. But besides that, I only have one day trade, so, it's not great. So we'll see what the market looks like before the day opens. And if we have another one of these days where it literally goes down 5% before the market's even open. And if it does, I'll be very, very, very happy. And if not, then we'll probably chill out. I gotta finish the copy, and I'm actually setting up the whole course for the seminar series, which is like for the social skills thing, which I'm actually like super excited about. Whoops. But anyway, I think it'll be pretty freaking cool, and I've been working hard on it. So with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Go out there, apply it, absolutely crush it. And I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow, maybe another day. Get the hell out of long-term equities. I told that to everyone like 2 weeks ago, a week ago, and then this week hit, and everyone's like, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "Shorting the stock market." And God, what an amazing week. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.